In this video, I'm going to show you how to cite a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and open a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. When putting together a presentation for professional use, it's extremely important to credit the pictures. Downloading and using photos without copyright permission is unauthorized, and simply providing a link to the original website does not fix the issue. That is why citation is essential. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Pictures, then this device. Select your picture. Now you have to add a text box. You can add it from here, or you can go to Insert. In the menu bar, click on Text Box. Place your text box in the picture. Normally, the citation is shown in the bottom right corner, so I will place it there. Now type your credit, source, or whatever you like in the box. Select your whole text and change the color to white. In the menu bar, click on this eye icon. This will change the text to italic format. In the menu bar, change the alignment to right. Now select both the text and the image while pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. Now press Ctrl plus G on your keyboard. It will group the text and the image together. Here you can see that our citation is complete. Even if you resize and reposition the image, the citation stays in its place.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.